Our world has changed so much since I was a kid that things that I want to do now weren't even possible for me to imagine.
I don't even know if I knew it was called computer science or programming.
It all sort of happened by accident.
I was always excited about technology in some way, and people.
And I thought that was just really neat to be able to control the technology instead of just having it control you.
I think a lot of people wake up and they have an amazing idea. When you know how to code, you can go and actually make that a reality.
I'm the Deputy Innovation Officer.
I'm a design lead,
a UI designer,
Support engineer, software engineer,
developer programs engineer,
Chief Product and Design Officer.
I'm a VP.
I'm the CEO and founder, co-founder.
I am a coder.
By learning about engineering, computer science, and other technical fields, you can solve the really big problems.
We're trying to do things that could radically improve the world.
Things like transportation and health.
Making our cities better places to live and making people more connected.
A place for city kids to build and create.
I created a moon TV system to project video on the moon.
Computer vision technology.
Open source hardware company.
Measure air pollution with your mobile phone.
I love helping people do the things that they love to do more easily.
I really, really, really enjoy the fact that I get energy from so many people.
I just hope that I can see the world change in my lifetime. That inspires me.
So build it around something that you like.
Find something that interests you.
What are you passionate about?
Know what's the thing that's going to keep you going.
And you can really, really have an impact on the world.
I am so excited to welcome you here today, to connect, to celebrate, and even to do some creating.
Engaging with other professional women, getting together and building a community where we support and we celebrate each other, this is important to me.
Making sure that the world knows that there are actually a ton of smart, ambitious, and qualified women in the tech industry.
Women in general don't sell themselves enough, right? Like, you have so many strengths. You do such incredible work.
Yes, you need to have the best career you can possibly have, but what can you do to help others?
It doesn't take very much effort to help another woman in need. It doesn't take very much to help someone with their coding problem.
What I would really like to solve for is creating a global culture that supports building confidence in young women so that they can choose whether they want to be artists or scientists or some combination thereof.
We want you to be at the table, creating the technology that will change all of our lives. And each one of you can help make that so.